So now we're going to look at, okay, breakfast. Emily needs to have breakfast. So one of the things that is important, because sometimes people say, oh, it's too expensive to eat healthy. Oh, I can't eat healthy because I don't have a variety of different foods that I can eat. Well, it's not that expensive, and you can have a wide variety of different foods that you can actually eat. And it just requires planning. And that is exactly why we are recording this video. And I'll show you some recipes that you can use to make sure that your food is always tasting great, and meals that you can swap in and out at any time, right? So, the first thing that you want to do before you even start filling out here is you want to create a grocery list. Select food that you enjoy eating and food that's going to help you achieve your goals. So, the first thing that anyone would need is to figure out, okay, what is the kind of food that I'm going to have, right? So, I've got a library here for like healthy whole foods. So, with this list, I broke it down into like carbs, fats, protein, veggies, fruits. So, and then you also have this template, right, that you can fill out. So very similar to what MyFitnessPal has. So if you're someone who's like, okay, I just want to do it on paper, I don't want to use MyFitnessPal, you can still do it, right? So you can use like a template and just add your meals, and you know what your meal plan looks like, right? So this is something that you can utilize. So the first thing when you're working on a meal plan is you need to pick your protein first. Pick your protein, and when you pick your protein, it makes it easier for you to prioritize and hit your protein goal for the day, because protein is probably one of the hardest things to make sure that you have in your diet consistently. So the first thing that we're going to do is we need to pick out what our meal plan is going to be. So for like breakfast, if I'm thinking like, okay, breakfast, I want to have some protein in the morning. The question is, what am I going to have for breakfast? So the first thing that comes to my mind is, okay, I want to have eggs. And let's see. So eggs have roughly, let's say 3 eggs, roughly 18 grams of protein. So I'm going to go whole eggs right here. I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to go add food. I'm going to go, oh, already had eggs. So I'm going to go eggs. So this was the meal, the fried egg that we added the last time. So I'm going to go eggs. I'm going to put 3. I'm going to add the coconut oil, right? And then I'm going to come back and say, okay, what else do you want to eat for breakfast? Maybe 1 cup of egg whites. So that'll give me about 26 grams. Let's see, egg whites. Let's see if I go. Okay, and then serving size, I'm going to see, okay, what is the serving size? What am I using? So over here, I want to use this table here with all of this food. So I'm seeing here, this is 1 cup. Let's see 1 cup, what that gives me. Okay, so I'm going to go add. Oh, we just added those. Okay, so I still need my eggs. Okay, let's see. Oh, 3. Okay, egg whites were already added. Okay, boom. So I'm gonna go add checked, right? So now I'm already at 46. So if I was to think about, okay, my goal, so I've got 124, I'm at 46, 124, that's remaining. I've got 46 grams. So which is good for protein is good. And then for fats, we've used up 35 grams of fat and remaining is 53. So now we want to figure out, okay, what can we add? What carbs can we add to a breakfast that don't actually have that don't have fats because of fats like 35 grams already. So I'm going to come back to my grocery list. So I'm going to go back to the carbs. Now I'm going to look at this table, see, okay, what carbs can I eat that don't have high fat for breakfast? What would I eat for breakfast that doesn't have a lot of fat and too much protein? Let's see. Hmm. So these are all carbs. So depending on your taste, what you want for breakfast, you can have, let's see, maybe I'll say, hmm, this is tough. Because usually for me, like breakfast, I have like, let's say just oatmeal. Where's oatmeal? Let's see, I think we had oatmeal. Where's oatmeal? Hmm. Okay, so we can add oatmeal, or you can add fruit. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna add a banana. Eggs, banana, medium. I'm gonna go oatmeal and banana. Let's say Kirkland. So these are just Costco. Uh, no, oatmeal. Okay, so I'm gonna go 1 cup or half a cup. Okay, so let's go add to diary. Oh, we added 2 bananas. Okay, so that was a problem. Okay. Okay, so oatmeal, 5 grams. Okay, so that's good. Okay. So now I'm going to go and add a banana to go with the oatmeal. And the oatmeal, I'm just going to add water into the oatmeal. So we should be fine if we do that. And add nutrition. Okay, so boom. Nutrition info. Okay, add to library. Okay, boom. So we've got we've got our banana, we've got our oatmeal, we've got our 3 eggs, we've got a coconut oil. Okay, so let's remove that. So I think we exaggerated that. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so I think our numbers were a bit inflated because we d added double. So this is egg whites. Okay, so we've got our banana, we've got our Kirkland oatmeal, we've got our 3 eggs, we've got our coconut oil, we've got our egg whites, 1 cup. So now we're sitting at 696 calories, 55 grams of carbs, 28 grams of fat, 52 grams of protein, and 593 milligrams of sodium and 19 grams of sugar. So, this is a good breakfast to get you started, to get you going. And it's good. It's got high protein. You know, you've got your carbs and you've got a bit of some sugar from the banana. So as you can tell, like you don't need to intentionally add a ton of fats into your diet because most of the food that we eat already contains fats. So the main thing that we want to focus on is the carbs and the protein. That's what we want to focus on to make sure that we're balancing everything, especially for Emily, who's trying to gain about 24 pounds. So now we've got the breakfast sorted out. And let's see over here. So we're going to go remember meal, right? And name this meal. We're going to say egg, eggs and oatmeal breakfast. Right? So we're saving this meal. So this meal is saved.